If you're looking to improve your skills as a paintless dent repair technician, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 tips that you can try at home so that you can become a better PDR technician. So keep watching to find out how. So most of us have a dominant hand. For me, I'm right-handed. That means my go-to position for PDR is to have my right hand on the handle. That's going to be doing a lot of the pushing. And then my left hand is holding the bar, making sure I've got some stability and also helping with my accuracy. But often when you're carrying out PDR, you'll swap from different sides of the vehicle. So your comfortable position working in your dominant hand, once you work on the other side of the vehicle, it's good practice to be able to comfortably work in a different position with your less dominant hand, and it's really going to help speed up your repairs. So just as we do with the bar, you can also practice with a hammer. Me being right-handed, if I'm carrying out blending, I'm typically using my right hand working across the panels. If I have the same damage on the other side of the vehicle, being able to swap hands, work with my less dominant hand, helps to speed up my repair time. Otherwise, I'm kind of working upside down or perhaps back on myself to carry out that same repair. So when you're working multiple dents across a panel, being able to swap between your right hand and left hand will just help you comfortably work through the repairs and increase your repair speed. Tip number 2 is to work on your accuracy. If you've got a small dent to fix, the quickest way to remove it is to hit it straight in the centre and begin pushing up that dent. So there's a couple of ways to do this. The first I refer to as target practice. On our practice panel, we can draw a very small circle or a box or a grid, and then with a bar similar to this, practice creating a high spot right in the middle of our target. Continue the process until you are consistently hitting the center line every time. And then when you're ready to test yourself, try picking up your knockdown and a hammer and creating a very small dent in your practice panel. Remember, you're trying to hit the center point only. Continue practicing until you are consistent at lifting the center. This is going to help increase your repair times, but also it's going to give you a cleaner repair, meaning less tidy up work in the finishing stages. So that's tip number 2, is to work on your accuracy. Subscribe. Tip number 3 is about improving your customer service skills, or as I like to refer to it as building the ultimate customer experience. When your customers like doing business with you, they will come back to you time and time again. Not only that, but they will gladly refer their friends, family and work colleagues to your services. There are so many different ways to build the customer experience, from your first response to their initial inquiry, to estimating, scheduling the repair, and of course how you turn up on the day and how you represent yourself and the repair quality. Then there's a whole load of touch points that follow on after the sale to ensure that your customer has had a good experience. So remember, the more skills you have, the more dents you can repair, the more money you can make. If you'd like to learn more about what I've spoken to you about today, you can visit our website learnpdronline.com.